Good day, everybody. My name is Ogi Achilles D. Testa, and I will be your trainer for today. And today, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to install wall-mounted convenience outlet. Personal protective equipments, safety goggles, safety gloves, maong pants, safety shoes, tools and equipments, multi-tester, pliers, screwdrivers, materials, outlets with cover and plate, number 12 stranded wire, screw, electrical tape. Before we start, we need to wear our personal protective equipments. First step is locate the main service panel, also known as circuit breaker. The power and test for the power. Using the multi-tester, we will test the circuit breaker if there is a power. Next is, we will prepare the wires. Using this wire, we will cut at least 2 inches length of this wire that we will connect the two outlet into parallel. Now that we already cut the wire, we will now attach it into the outlet. Next step is strip the wire. Strip away 1/2 inch of plastic insulation of the end of each insulated wire in the box using wire stripper. Next step is connect the neutral and hot wire in the receptacle. Next step is attach the receptacle in the box. Confirm all wiring are secure by gently tugging the wire. Next step is attach the cover plate. Attach the cover plate over the outlet. Last step is restore the power by turning on the circuit breaker. But before we restore the power, we will test the outlet if it is installed properly. So there is no reading, it means that it is okay.